How's it going, everyone? I have an awesome setup that I want to show you guys for a swing trade. This does not happen often. So I want to go over a particular stock that has made a monster pump that can make insane returns, high volatile stock. So if you guys are into this kind of setup, you're going to love this because this is high risk, high returns, but I'm also looking to give you guys very precise entries. So the ticker CYPH, Cypherpunk Technologies, as you guys know, has made a tremendous move up. I mean, from this low here to this high, I mean, it went up 780%, and it's now pulling back. So when I look for my kind of trades, anytime something hits an upper band on this KC line, I know that the momentum is there and it's extremely bullish. Now I look to see, are we finally seeing this 200 at the bottom? And the answer is yes. We are in an uptrend for the first time ever on this stock. You have never seen the 200 at the very bottom, and it's just been downtrend, 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 downtrend. Well, I guess right in here you started to see something like that. But right in here, if this just has a bounce from here to this next support level here, look how much money you're making. Back here is back to 30% return. So your entries are always this EMA 10 and this EMA 20. Now, obviously, scale appropriately because these are volatile stocks. I mean, from here to here, I don't see it breaking this. I was kind of thinking, if it breaks this line, it kind of loses a lot of structure. But you also have this monster demand zone right in here that I feel like it's going to be kind of hard to break out. So this one right in here, I'm looking to, see what it wants to do as, this is a great area to, if it goes all the way to this EMA 20, I'd be kind of surprised without some kind of bounce. I can easily see this thing bouncing from here. And I wouldn't be surprised if it makes a new high, or at least to this resistance here, which will give you a nice solid return of roughly almost 25%. All right. And then if you're putting your stop loss below this area, you're looking at 18%. I think, obviously this EMA 20 is going to move up as it goes. So I would say put it below the 20. I would look to add some more on the 20 as this has the first time ever monster volume. Look at the volume, 786 million, 38 million, 260. I mean, it has volume out of the wazoo. So I don't see how this setup's just going to break all the way back down and go bloop. I just feel like there's a lot of momentum. The bulls know, okay, here's the pullback for new bulls to make it up to a new high, and this could easily keep going up and up and up. But as always, take profit as you go. Look at those resistance areas, and you can see right there at 270, we need a break in order for us to go even higher. And then you got another resistance here at 279. Once we break that, it's off to the races, guys. And I don't see why we can't. And you can see clearly right in here, it's acting as support. Literally to a T, when price hits the upper band, one of my most favorite strategies for a swing trade is a pull back to the 10 to continue the trend higher. A lot of the times we go to the 10 and 20. If it breaks the 20, you get out of the position. But usually the 10 and the 20 are your most crucial areas to buy. We have solid support here. I mean, this setup looks absolutely amazing. Some member showed this in my Discord. I'm like, holy crap, that's a really good setup. Obviously, it's a penny stock, so it's higher risk. But yeah, this is a really nice setup where if you're looking for high volatility, you want to make big percentages, this is the stock that can do it. Making well over 20, 30, 50%. If we come back to these highs, I mean, look at that. That's a 62% return. Usually these kind of setups, I see that we make newer highs based on the 10. Because remember, guys, if you watch my videos, EMA 10 and 20 are your rocket ships. I can show you so many examples where big move up, pull back to the 10 and 20, and that's your rocket ship. All right, so you always want to make sure, okay, are we hitting these upper bands? Do we have lots of volume? And then finally, are we seeing the EMA 200 at the bottom? A+ setup, everything meets my criteria. I like this for a solid swing setup. Very nice, beautiful setup, okay? There's not really much else to say other than that. I mean, you got to take a risk to make money. Don't be that person, be scared like, oh, if it fails, it fails. As long as you follow your rules, you had a clear risk versus reward, you had a clear why did you take the trade, you didn't just randomly take this, you know that 10 and 20 are your entries, and if it goes below this 20, we're out of the trade. And you might ask, well, how much would you be saying to go? Well, I'd probably do it just like a tad, maybe 5% below that 20, because you're already risking, quite a bit here. I mean, I don't think it's going to go to that 20 right away, but you just never know. This is a higher risk category, so I'd be putting in less money. That way I can handle a bigger loss. And then obviously if this goes up to the moon, I mean, look at new highs potential, you're looking at over 100% returns. But yeah, this is the EMA 200 crisscross for, solid entry rating here. To minimize it, I mean, yes, we could probably take it out right in here. This is not bad either. Risk 12, I might consider that just based on it. But I'm going to see how the price is moving because obviously that 20 is going to keep going up as the uptrend. You see how this 20 keeps going up and up and up and up. So it's going to keep going up as time goes. I have no doubt that, this is a strong area of support where you got that right in here. You got this whole upper wick. You got that 10 acting as support. And to a T, I think we're going to go way higher. All right, so let's keep an eye on this one. CYPH, one of the best small caps that has made a big move into a pullback and can continue higher. If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you guys like, subscribe. Definitely join the community of the Discord down below. I think you guys will love this community. There's no guesswork, guys, in trading. It's all probabilities. I tell you guys exactly when I get in, exactly when I get out, and showing you a system that truly works. I love the band strategy. I use Keltners for momentum, EMAs for support areas, and then just look at candle structures. Where's your support, demand, and supply zones? That's all you do in trading. And then you can see like the monster moves that you can get from these kind of setups. But definitely join the Discord. I think you guys will love it. I want to make a community where people understand what they're doing, how to, using a similar setup that we can find these trades together. Someone mentioned the Discord. I was like, this guy knows what he's doing. He knows what to look for. This is a great, trade idea. And as you can see already, we're bouncing from here. You're already up almost 10%. All right. It's a volatile stock, so it's already bouncing some. But definitely join the Discord. It's only $12 a month. You get access to swing trades, day trades, and live streams, which is the most important, and you'll get access to the alerts and all that, and then of course my educational content, which is the main thing. I don't want people copy trading. I want you guys to know why I take trades and the setups I look to take. But this is a really nice trade. Okay, very nice trade. So if you guys want to join the Discord, it's there. Hit how to subscribe and hit Big Cap Day Trade Alerts right in here. It's only $12 a month to join. I think you guys will love it, and you get access to the gold membership. And you'll have all these communities available, day trade chat, premium chat, and all that, guys. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Really great oversold pattern that I don't see happen a lot. Take advantage of these setups. This one could easily pump big. Guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.